morning, everyone. Open your books to page 136. Look at the bottom of your book. It should say 136. 136. And let's start writing the date. Where are we supposed to write the date? On the top left corner. Let's write 24th of April, which is the 4th month, 2020. Now put your finger on number 4 and let's read the instructions. It says write the answers. Okay guys, they have given us a number line and we need to take its help and answer these questions. So let's see our number line first. It starts from 20, then we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay, so it starts from 20 and it goes till 30. Now we need to answer these questions. Let's look at the first question. It says, is 22 closer to 20 or 30? Okay, so first what do we have to do? We need to figure out where it is 22 exactly. So let's see. Let's go back on a number line. Number line starts from 20. And where is 22? 21, 22. So 22 is right here. Now we need to tell them, is 22 closer to 20 or 30? This is very obvious, right? If we take 2 steps back, we have 20. And if we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If we take 8 steps, we have 30. So this means that 22 is closer to 20. So let's write 20 over here. Now let's move on. Is 24 closer to 20 or 30? Now let's see where is 24. This is 24. Now we need to see if it's closer to 20 or 30. So let's make our jumps first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we took 4 jumps and we reached till 20. Now let's see how many jumps do we have to make to go till 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It took us 6 jumps to reach till 30. This means that 24 is closer to 20. Okay guys, now I'm gonna give you a little while. You guys do this and then we will match our answers. Okay guys, I hope everyone's done by now. So let's start matching our answers. The next question was, is 28 closer to 20 or 30? So 28 is closer to 30. Then we have, is 21 closer to 20 or 30? Where is 21? This is 21. It is right next to 20. This means that 21 is closer to 20. Is 26 closer to 20 or 30? This is 26. So 26 is closer to 20 or 30? It is closer to 30. I hope all of you got these right. Now let's move on. Put your finger on number 5. It says add. This is simple addition. Okay, so let's look at the first one. We have 69 plus 9. What will we do? We will start from the one side, which is the right side. We will put 9 in our mind and take 9 fingers out and count after 9. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now guys, remember I cannot write my 18 like this. This will be wrong. So what do I have to do? I need to erase this 1 and I have to carry my 1 right here in the tens place. So I will make a box and carry my 1 over here. Now I have 1 plus 6. So what will I do? I will put 6 in my mind since it's the bigger number and I will take 1 finger out and count after 6. So my answer is 7. So 69 plus 9 is equal to 78. Now let's move on guys. 45 plus 7. What will I do? I will start from the right side and look for the bigger number, which is 7. So 7 goes in my mind and I will take 5 fingers out and count after 7. So my answer is 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now I will write 2 over here and I will carry forward my 1 in this box. I have to make the box on my own, okay? So 1 plus 4. Now 4 goes in my mind and I will take one finger out and count after 4. So my answer is 5. Now 45 plus 7 is equal to 52. This is very easy, guys. You do finish your addition and then we will match our answers. Guys, I hope everyone's done by now. Let's start matching our answers. So we have done till 45 plus 7 is equal to 52. Now let's move on. The next one is 23 plus 9 is equal to 32. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. 51 plus 9 is equal to 60. 38 plus 5 is equal to 43. Now let's move on to the next row. In the next row we had simple addition, right? We didn't even have to carry forward any number. So now we have 471 plus 513, which is equal to 984. Then we have 560 plus 315, which is equal to 875. Now let's move on. 412 plus 457 is equal to 869. 543 plus 220 is equal to 763. And the last one is 136 plus 252 is equal to 388. Now guys, I hope all of you got these right. Now let's move on. Put your finger on number 6. We have a word problem here. This is so much fun. Okay, so let's start reading this. It says, Jared had 7 nickels to spend on a drink. How many cents did he have? We need to do, guys, we need to figure out that how many cents are there in 1 nickel. So let's see. We have 5 cents in 1 nickel, right? So 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents. And how many nickels did Jared had? He had 7 nickels. So we need to figure out how many cents did he have all together. So let's see. What will we do? We will make 7 nickels like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we will write 5 on top of each. So we just do not forget what we were supposed to do. Okay. Now what will we do? We will skip count by 5. This is easy. So we start from 5. Then we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. So it means that Jared had 35 cents. Now let's go back to our book and let's start doing this. So 7 nickels is equal to 35 cents. Let's write that down. So Jared had 35 cents. Now I hope all of you got these right. Guys, now turn your page and go to page 137. Look at the bottom of your book. It should say 137. And let's read the title. The title says number order, less than and greater than. Okay, so put your finger on number 1. It says write the value of the coins, write less than or greater than in the blanks. Okay, so now they have given us these coins. Okay, like the first one says 3 quarters. So first we need to figure out how many cents do we have in them. The first one says 3 quarters. So 3 quarters means that 1 quarter is of 25 cents, and we need to figure out how many cents are there in 3 quarters. So how will we do that? We will go to our board. We will write 25 plus 25 plus 25. Okay, now let's see. First we will start from the right side. Let's look at these two. 5 plus 5. So I will put 5 in my mind and I will take 5 fingers out and count after 5. So my answer is 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now what will I do? 10 plus 5. So 10 goes in my mind and I will take 5 fingers out and I will count after 10. So it's 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So let's write 5 over here and I will carry forward my 1 right here in this box. Okay, so 1 plus 2. Now 2 is the bigger number, so 2 goes in my mind and I'll take 1 finger out and I'll count after 2. So my answer is 3. So till now I have 3. Now 3 plus 2 is, 3 goes in my mind and I will take 2 fingers out. So let's see, 4 and 5. So now till now I have 5, right? Let's erase this 3 so it's easier for us to know. Now till now I have 5. Now 5 plus 2. So 5 goes in my mind and I will take 2 fingers out and count after 5. So my answer is 6 and 7. So 75 cents in total. Now I'll go back to my book and write that down. So let's write 75 cents right here. 75 cents in total. Now I'll go back to my book and write that down. So let's write 75 cents right here. Okay, now let's move on. The next one is 4 dimes. I need to skip count by 10. So what will I do? I will make 4 dimes right here and I will write 10 on top of each and I will skip count by 10. So I'll start from 10, then I have 20, 30 and 40. So let's go back on our book and write 40 cents. Now 6 nickels. Okay, this is easy. 1 nickel has 5 cents in it. This means that I need to figure out how many cents do I have in 6 nickels. So I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 nickels. I will write 5 on top of each like this and I will skip count by 5. So I will start from 5, then I have 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So I have 30 cents in 6 nickels. So let's go back to our book and write that down. Now let's write 30 right here. Okay, then we have 5 pennies. Now this is easy, right? One penny has 1 cent in it, so 5 pennies mean we have 5 cents. Okay, then we have 8 dimes. All right, we will again skip count. Okay, so I will make 8 dimes, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and I will write 10 on top of each dime like this. Okay, and what will I do? I will skip count by 10. So I will start from 10, then I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. This means that 8 dimes is equal to 80 cents. Go back to our book and write 80 cents right here. And then we have 18 pennies. Again, this is very easy. 1 penny is equal to 1 cent. So 18 pennies is equal to 18 cents. Now, what did they ask us to do? They said write the value of the coins. We have done the first part, right? Write less than or greater than in the blanks. So let's see now. 3/4 is equal to 75 cents. So is 75 cents less than or greater than 80 cents? 75 cents is less than 80 cents. So the crocodile will open his mouth towards 80. Remember, crocodile likes to eat the bigger number. Okay, so let's move on. Now we have 4 dimes, which is equal to 40 cents. So is 40 cents less than or greater than 50 cents? Which one will crocodile eat? I think crocodile will eat 50 because 40 is less than 50. So the crocodile opens his mouth towards 50. We have a hungry crocodile, right? Okay, now let's move on. 6 nickels is equal to 30 cents. So is 30 cents less than or greater than 25 cents? 30 cents is greater than 25 cents. This time the crocodile will eat 30 cents. Now let's move on. Now we have 5 pennies, which is equal to 5 cents. So is 5 cents less than or greater than 4 cents? 5 cents are greater than 4 cents. Okay, then we have 8 times, which is equal to 80 cents. So is 80 cents less than or greater than 90 cents? 80 cents is less than 90 cents. Hence, the crocodile opens his mouth towards 90 cents. Okay, now let's move on to the last one. 18 pennies is equal to 18 cents. Now, is 18 cents less than or greater than 15 cents? Let's think, guys. I think 18 cents are greater than 15 cents. There we go. This was easy and fun. Okay, now put your finger on number 2. It says circle every fifth number after 2. Write the circle numbers on the blanks. So they have given us these numbers and it starts from 2. So we have to circle every fifth number. Now in ordinal numbers, guys, fifth means 5, remember? So we have to circle every fifth number after 2, and once we're done circling all the numbers, we need to write them down in these blanks. Now this is very easy, so I'll give you a little while since we have done this a lot of times. You finish it up and then we will match our answers. Guys, I hope everyone's done by now. So let's start matching our answers. They asked us to circle every fifth number after 2. Okay, so let's see. 2 is already circled for us. Then we have first, second, third, fourth, and our fifth number is 7. So next number is 7. Then we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So our fifth number is 12. Let's count again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Then we have 17. Okay, let's see what we have after 17. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So 22. Okay, then we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, which is 27. Okay, so on the blanks we have 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, and 27. This was easy. Okay, now let's move on. Put your finger on number 3. It says circle the one that is about 30 inches tall. Okay, so they have given us these 3 images. The first one is of a ladybug. Then we have a cat. Oh, such a cute cat. And then we have a chair. And we need to tell them that which of these 3 objects is about 30 inches tall. 30 inches is a lot, guys. So do you see this strip? This is what 30 inches look like. Strip is about 30 inches. So now what are they asking us? Let's go back on our book. They said that circle the one that is about 30 inches tall. 30 inches, as I showed you, it's a lot, right? A ladybug is very small, right? Okay. Also a cat. I don't think so. A cat is of 30 inches. Let's circle the chair because chair can be about 30 inches tall. So I hope you guys had fun.